Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the iOS 26.2 release candidate has finally arrived, and with it comes the same question every iPhone user asks at this stage. Should you update right now, or should you wait for the final rollout? In this video, let's take a clear and practical look at what this RC version brings, how stable it feels, and whether it's worth installing immediately. The release candidate is important because it gives us the closest look at the final version before it officially launches for everyone. Apple typically uses the RC to finalize performance optimizations, fix last-minute bugs, and ensure that all the new features work smoothly across supported devices. And with iOS 26.2, the focus seems to be on polishing the experience rather than pushing out major new features. This update might not look huge on the surface, but for many users, it could be the most important one for day-to-day stability. One of the first things you'll notice after updating is the improvement in performance. Animations feel tighter, app switching is smoother, and the overall system looks more refined. Many testers have reported that battery life appears more consistent compared to previous betas. For people who rely on their iPhones throughout the day, these subtle enhancements can make a noticeable difference. Apple also seems to have worked on network reliability, reducing random drops in Wi-Fi and cellular connections that some users faced in earlier builds. Bug fixes remain the highlight of iOS 26.2 RC. Several issues affecting notifications, keyboard lag, and app crashes have been addressed. Camera performance, especially in low light, seems more responsive, and some background process bugs that previously caused heating have been resolved. Even though Apple doesn't advertise every change, you can feel the system becoming more stable. Now, the biggest question: should you update? If you enjoy being on the latest version, want better stability, or have been dealing with annoying bugs on the previous iOS 26 build, then the release candidate is safe enough to install. It's practically the final version, and Apple rarely makes major changes after the RC. For most users, this update should improve performance rather than cause issues. However, if your iPhone is used for critical work, or you depend heavily on apps that sometimes break on new updates, you may want to wait just a few more days until the public release. Even though the RC is stable, there is always a small chance of minor compatibility issues, especially in third-party apps that haven't been updated yet. In the end, iOS 26.2 release candidate isn't about new features, it's about polishing the entire system. It strengthens battery life, cleans up performance, and fixes bugs that users have been complaining about. If you want a smoother experience right now, go ahead and update. If you prefer absolute certainty, waiting for the final version is perfectly fine. Whichever path you choose, iOS 26.2 looks like a solid step forward. And as always, make sure to back up your device before updating.